Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Schroeder Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the documentation post type within Uptime for WordPress. So what we're looking at here is the documentation archive, which typically will be your domain / documentation. And here we've got an archive which shows all of the categories of projects as well as a nice search area, etc. We can then go into each one. You'll see we've got individual projects here. Now, there's not much to know about actually building the documentation posts themselves, but the categories and the icon, etc., that is something we will go through just so you've got an idea of how it works. So we'll start by creating our own documentation item. Okay, I'm going to call this Dan's Doc. Grab some random blurb. Maybe we'll go a bit more. Okay, great. And what we're going to do is give it its own category. And publish. If we now look at the archive, you can see we've got the billing, a dashboard and everything we had before, but we've also got this here, which is the new one we've added. Now the first thing you'll notice is there is no icon here, so we'll go over how this is done first of all. So if I head back into our admin area here and go to documentation categories, you'll see we've got all of them listed here. If we look at one of the examples, you can see we've got some descriptive text, which is this here, and we've also got an icon name here. So if we wanted to, for instance, add our icon to our category, we can hit edit. Now I'm going to start by just giving some random text. And we're going to give it an icon name. Now, if you browse the documentation for a link to the page with all these listed, I'm just going to grab one of these here. That'll be fine. And we'll update. And what we see if we refresh the category, we've got our icon added, we've got our descriptive text, and then we click in, we'll find the article we've added under that category, and we can view it in here. Really simple, to be fair, and works an absolute treat. Now, although I have covered this in another video, I will mention these predefined searches here. They are something you can specify in the options. So if we go to the theme options, you'll see under the documentation archive view, we've got our 3 terms here. Now the comma separated, so if you wanted to add one or say start fresh, maybe we could go hello world, another one, final one. So when we publish and refresh, you can see how that has equated to 3 different searches. And when we click on that, off it goes and locates the search for us. Pretty cool. Okay, that's it for the documentation post type. If you do have any questions, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.